long time. I think it's been nearly a year since I posted a video on this channel, mainly because I stopped physical scrapbooking. I only do digital scrapbooking now. I've sold all my supplies, all my stash, everything. It's been given away, given to the kids, or sold. Yeah, so I'm not doing that anymore, but I am digital scrapping, so you might have seen some of those things on my Facebook or my Instagram. You may have also noticed that the name of the channel has changed. It is now Morgyn's Simple Life, because I just wanted it to be all-encompassing for anything that I want to put up on this channel going forward. So yeah, if you've been here for a while, you know me. I'm Morgyn. I live in Brisbane, Australia, and I've got 2 little boys. And yeah, we homeschool. I stay at home, and that's pretty much my life. I do want to branch out and start doing more YouTube again, but it will be in a different realm to what you may have seen on here before, so it won't be scrapbooking anymore. I want to maybe share some of the things that we do in our life more as kind of a record for me to look back on, but I also want to share it with you guys as well. So it might be some homeschool things I'm doing with the kids, or I've got a few cooking things and recipe videos that I wanted to get up and share with you, some like eco-friendly options and things that I'm doing around the house that are more eco-friendly. Just a whole bunch of things. There might still be some crafting on there here and there. I don't know, depends what I'm doing at the time. I still dabble in a few other crafts, just not the paper scrapbooking anymore. So yeah, please stick around and see what I'm going to come up with and put on this channel. I do have a couple of unboxing videos, one from Flora and Fauna and one from iHerb. I've got those, I'm going to film them later today actually, because they arrived this morning. So be sure to stick around and check those out in the next few days. So that's an update from me, and I will hope to chat to you in the comments below later on. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!